Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical question. The question is factorize 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 whole square minus x power 5. So some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, what is the logic is first multiply 1 minus x in first term. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide with 1 minus x in first expression. So here 1 minus x into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 by 1 minus x. Multiplying and dividing with 1 minus x minus x to the power of 5. Now here we will get 1 minus x to the power of 6 whole square by 1 minus x whole square minus x to the power of 5. So if you expand this, 1 minus 2x power 6 plus x to the power of 12 by 1 minus 2x plus x square minus x to the power of 5. So here we'll get 1 minus 2x power 6 plus x to the power of 12 minus x to the power of 5 into 1 minus 2x plus x square over 1 minus 2x plus x square. So if you open the bracket, 1 minus 2x to the power of 6 plus x to the power of 12 minus x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 7 over 1 minus 2x plus x square. So 2x power 6, 2x power 6 cancel. So here you have to arrange in one order. 1 minus x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 12 over 1 minus x whole square. So here if you write factors, 1 minus x to the power of 5, here you can take x to the power of 7 common, 1 minus x to the power of 5 by 1 minus x whole square. So this can be written as 1 minus x to the power of 5 into 1 minus x to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 minus x square. So here 1 minus x to the power of 5 can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x square plus x power 3 into x power plus x power 4. 1 minus x power 7 can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x x to the power of 6 up to x to the power of 6 over 1 minus x whole square. Now this can be written as 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4, 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 6 by 1 minus x whole square. These two get cancelled out. So the answer is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x square x cube into x power 4 into x power 5 into x power 6. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.